Right, careful because it might just break. This bit of wood through. There it is.
This is the bathroom, totally gutted out. That's where the bath was. The floor's now been ripped up. The vanity basin was there, and the shower was here, and the shower for the ensuite was here. And that's where the toilet was, and the vanity basin for the ensuite was here, and they had a silly little step in the wall between the two showers, and this wall is going to be made straight, so none of this business of coming back out to where my foot is. So that will be nice. The frame to finish the wall nice and straight. This is where my new cupboard is. Just got to put the doors on. That's where my vanity basin is going to be. And the waterproofing for the shower. So what's your next step now that this toilet has been grouted? What are you doing here?
Taking some glue out so I'll be able to fit this drain in, because there's some dry glue here.
Oh, okay. It looks like it's a little bit on the side.
That's fine. We'll cut it to fit in.
Yeah, that's cool. Cool, so those two things went in together.
Yep.
Oh, they're clips, are they?
Leveling clips.
Oh, okay. So at the moment the tiler is smashing off the levelling clips. Oh, so that's how you hide that hole in the ground.
Yep.
Cool.
It just needs to be stuck in now and grouted.
Cool.
And that's that.
It looks so much better now with the shower screen put in. The doors have been put on my cupboards. The basin has been put on the sink. The red tape is just there temporary because the silicone behind the mirror is not dry yet. That comes off in a couple of days. There's the new shower. All finished. There's the new toilet. The only thing that's got to be done now is let the plaster dry. It gets repainted next week and the toilet roll holder gets put up. It looks great. The mirror looks terrific. The shower looks great, I love it. Just love my new bathroom. And there's the recess. It's the first time I've ever had anything like